Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio, another example installation of a Kenwood Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system fitted. Now today we're in a 2009 roughly Ford Focus ST MK2, and this has had the extremely popular Kenwood DMX8021. Probably featured a lot on our channel, but it's because it's one of our favourite units, so we recommend it a lot. Now let's show you actually what it looks like fitted in this car. Now let's give it some juice, turn it on. We use a flush fit fascia, we put a Ford logo on, so from the outset it looks like it's meant to be in there. We even change all the illumination to match the green illumination of the Ford dashboard lights. Now this unit, give you a run through what it offers. It offers DAB radio, it offers Apple CarPlay wirelessly, just like that. It offers Android Auto wirelessly as well. My phone's automatically connected, as you can see, which is here. Now CarPlay, if you haven't already used it, is it's very good system to use. I'll start you off some basics on CarPlay. That's the home screen. It's basically an operating system made for the car by Apple themselves. We have navigation apps like Apple Maps, we have Google Maps, we have TomTom Maps, and we have Waze navigation. We've also got music apps like Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, all are accessed from the touchscreen. Extremely seamless, very easy to use. Even radio station apps you can use like BBC Sounds and Capital Dance, but you've got DAB anyway, so it's brilliant. Apple CarPlay is awesome. It's been out for many years, but we're still selling it daily. Now that's about it for John Kleis Car Audio signing off. My name is Connor. If you've got any questions, drop us an email on info@johnkleis.com. Contact us via WhatsApp from the website. You can get that number. And obviously if you can subscribe to our channel, we appreciate it. But for now, that's Connor, John Kleis signing off. See you later.